guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Ellie. I'm a mom and fashion blogger, and I do YouTube videos. I also have an Instagram that I share a lot of my fashion stuff on there. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I want you to go ahead and do that now so we can connect. And it's Ellie No. Yeah, today, as you can see the title of this video, I am going to be unboxing this Polene Paris bag. It's still in the box, guys. I'm going to go ahead and open it, and I want you guys to see my honest reaction because I was waiting to open. I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and open it on camera so I can record the whole thing, because that's the fun of it, right? What's the fun if I open it and I come on here and talk about it? So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. The box, out the box. Okay. So this is what I got out the box. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. So this is the numero uno in caramel. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This is so cute. It's so cute. I think I need to lower my camera so you guys can see the box and everything. I think all you're seeing is my face. So give me a few minutes. I need to much better. So this is the box. This is the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oh, nice. And it comes with like a little card in there, and it's just, what is this? It just comes with like a little card in there with all their bags. And I found this brand on Instagram. That's how I found them. And go ahead, it has like tissue paper on it. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Dun 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 dun. Oops, wait, not yet. They got something else. Oh, it comes with a little dust bag. So cute. A little dust bag to put it in there. So cute. Okay. And here's the bag, guys. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay. Alright, I need to take this off. Let's take this off. You can see it. Take this off. How pretty is this color, y'all? This is so pretty. And I love how long the strap is. It's pretty long. So you can go right, and you can also adjust it. It's also adjustable too. And I love the little gold detail at the bottom too. Pretty cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the box down. Let's dive right into the bag itself. So this is the bag, and it has like a little Polene written right there in gold. I think that's really cute. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oh, pretty cool. What's this? Just a plain paper. So this is the inside of the bag, and you can take it apart like this. Pretty cute. And it just has like tissue inside. Take that out. And it's pretty big for being such a tiny bag on the outside. It's pretty decent size because you can stretch it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, let's clip that back because I'm getting ready to use it. Let's look at the back, what's in the back. Just like a little small pocket back here. And I love the detail. It smells like some real good ass leather. So go ahead and wear it like this. And it fits right there. Yeah, I think it's pretty cute. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're thinking about shopping this brand and you want to know the price, I know that's a big question, like how much was this purse? So this purse was $300, and with the shipping I had to pay shipping. The shipping was 20 bucks, and I think I ordered it came within the week. So DHL, it was pretty fast shipping. I got it within the week, and I'm pretty happy with it. Okay, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Have you shopped this brand? Do you like it? And I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao.